SB19 now leads semifinals with a whopping 45 million votes. As of August 15, 8:54 a.m., SB19 now has a lead of more than 45 million votes against opponent Taylor Swift in the semifinals of Billboard Fan Army Face-Off 2024. And as of 3 p.m., we now have 89.9% against Taylor Swift at 10.1%. Now I advise you, wag nang magbasa ng mga negative comments against us, sa halip ay gamitin ang inyong mga spare time to vote on Mix Global. Just click on the link pinned in the comment section, then choose the chart where you want to vote and then click Vote Online. Mind you, pwede po kayong bumoto sa lahat ng Mix Charts. And while you are voting, please stream SB19 songs and their solo songs on Spotify and YouTube. Let's focus our energy sa mga bagay na may kabuluhan kaysa sa mga bagay na magti-trigger lang sa atin.